Yo, what's going on? For those that try to petition the Lord with prayer, Cherry Tyler here. For those that have been following the fucking quest, the drone got sucked up into the air. So it took me days to find it, and during that process, I was locked in jail. So I was in jail for a while. I had to get out of jail, break down the drone. The man hours was insane. So now I'm finally trying to get this shit to the viewers. YouTube's still fucking me. By the way, I heard, like I said, there was. Alrighty. A fucking nightmare out here. I'm talking about, this shit might be in a watery grave. It's like you wouldn't fucking believe out here. Bamboo grass, which I don't think I've ever fucking seen bamboo grass. Quicksand, sludge, swamp. I come out here for a fucking hour the other day. I couldn't find a goddamn thing. And if you look out here, it's a fucking nightmare. The crash site's somewhere around here. We're looking for it, but I think it's on the nose of the tree line. Come take a look up around here. Yeah, by the way, guys, it's not Nazi regalia. It's not Nazi regalia. We're on the hunt. Crash site. It's a fucking the last known GPS location. Holy shit, look at that. It's a great blue heron. It's gonna be right up and around here. If it ain't in the lake, if it ain't in the drink. Like I said, I mean, it's waist high and the snow and stick to your Trail of Tears coming soon. Porcine people. You're not humans, you're porcine. You're made of pigs. You're grown in a lab. Somewhere a long way away. And there it is. Speak of the devil. You porcine people. Guinea pigs. Popping the fucking S.A. Oh yeah. It's wet. Oh yeah. Calling all